Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to propagate my Epiprimnum pinnatum or EP Sunburst. As you can see, there are fenestrations at the top. It came from a very small leaves at the bottom, and as it grew up, there are now fenestrations. So I'm going to cut. And this cutting have already established roots. So I will have another new plant with established roots, and I am really confident that this will be successful. Thank you to Sydney Plant Guy for this tutorial which I followed from him. Thank you, Sydney Plant Guy. Bye everyone.